from Maji Shinde Vidyalay and Junior College, Srigonda, Taluka Srigonda, Jilla Ailanagar. Today we have discussed most important topic for CT and ZEE, that is peer of state line. So let's start the topic peer of state line. In peer of state line, the first point, combine equation of pair of lines, that is also called as joint equation of pair of lines. An equation which represents two lines, then the equation is called as combined equation of those two lines. The equation u into v is equal to 0 represent combined equation of lines u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0. For example, 2x plus y is equal to 0 and 3x minus y is equal to 0. These two lines passing through origin, then their combined equation is denoted by 2x plus y into 3x minus y is equal to 0. Then multiplying these two brackets, then we get 6x square plus xy minus y square is equal to 0 is a combined equation of pair of lines. Second example, x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. These two lines does not passing through origin. Then their combined equation is denoted by x plus 2y minus 1 into x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Then multiplying these two brackets, then we get x square minus xy minus 6y square plus x plus 7y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a combined equation of two lines. These two lines are called separate equation of this combined line. An equation u equal to 0 and v equal to 0 are called separate equation of the lines represented by the equation u into v is equal to 0. Sometimes we have given combined equation of pair of lines and ask the separate equation of the lines. This time we can use the factorization method. We get the separate equation of the combined equation. Next, second point, combine equation of pair of lines passing through origin, then its equation will be ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Its equation will be 1. Then its equation is also called as homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y. Homogeneous equation means an equation in which the sum of indices of each term are same. Then this equation is called as homogeneous equation. Here the each term power of degree of each term are 2, therefore it is homogeneous equation in x and y. Homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, represent pair of lines passing through origin if h square minus ab is greater than or equal to 0. If value of h square minus ab is greater than or equal to 0, then this equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 represent pair of lines. If h square minus ab is greater than 0, then the line equation 1 represented by equation 1 are real and distinct. Second, if h square minus ab is equal to 0, then line represented by equation 1 are parallel or coincident. If h square minus ab is less than 0, then equation 1 does not represent pair of lines. जर व्हॅल्यू त्याची निगेटिव्ह आली तर दिलेलं जे इक्वेशन आहे डज नॉट रिप्रेझेंट पेअर ऑफ लाईन्स. फोर्थ, If b is equal to 0, then one of the lines is given by y. B is equal to 0, then one of the line is y-axis whose slope is not defined, and the slope of other line is minus a upon 2h. And if h square minus ab is greater than or equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0, then slope of the lines m1 is equal to minus h minus square root of h square minus ab divided by b, and m2 is equal to minus h plus square root of h square minus ab divided b. Then the relation between the slopes. First relation, the sum of the slopes m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h upon b, and the product of the slopes m1 into m2 is equal to a upon b, and the difference of the slopes is equal to m1 minus m2 is equal to 2 into root of h square minus ab divided b. Then auxiliary equation of pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, dividing each term by x square and then put y upon x is equal to m, then auxiliary equation will be bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0. This is auxiliary equation of pair of lines. Then angle between the lines represented by equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. The acute angle theta between the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is given by tan theta is equal to mod of 2 into root of h square minus ab divided a plus b. If the lines are perpendicular to each other, then a plus b is equal to 0. Then a plus b is equal to 0. That is coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. And second, if lines are parallel or coincident, if h square minus ab is equal to 0 or h is equal to h square is equal to ab. This is condition for parallel and perpendicular lines. Next, third point, combined equation of pair of lines does not passing through origin. जर दोन लाईन ओरिजिन मधून पास होत नसेल तर त्यांचं इक्वेशन आहे ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c is equal to 0. This equation is called general secondary equation in x and y. This second general second degree equation, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c is equal to 0, represent pair of lines if condition आहे, पहिली condition आहे h square minus ab is greater than equal to 0, and second condition आहे delta determinant first row ahj hbf third row gfc is equal to 0. That is पहिला जो रो आहे ahj, second row hbf and third row gfc या डिटर्मिनंटची व्हॅल्यू जर 0 आली तर हे जनरल सेकंडरी इक्वेशन आहे, ते रिप्रेझेंट पेअर ऑफ लाईन्स. आता हे जे डिटर्मिनंट आहे या डिटर्मिनंट मध्ये जे इलेमेंट आहेत त्यांचा जो सिक्वेन्स आहे तो सिक्वेन्स फार महत्त्वाचा आहे. आणि हा जर सिक्वेन्स लक्षात ठेवायचा असेल तर एक सेंटेन्स फार महत्त्वाचा आहे. ते सेंटेन्स लक्षात ठेवायचं, अ हायटेड गर्ल हॅव्हिंग ब्युटिफुल फेस गोईंग फ्रॉम कॉलेज. हे जर सेंटेन्स लक्षात ठेवलं तर या डिटर्मिनंट मध्ये जे इलेमेंट आहे ते आपण व्यवस्थित लक्षात ठेवू शकतो. किंवा ऑर ए बी सी पहिले दोन लक्षात ठेवायचे, ए बी सी प्लस 2fgh मायनस पहिल्यातला पहिला घ्यायचा, दुसऱ्यातला पहिला घ्यायचा, एफचा स्क्वेअर घ्यायचा मायनस एफ स्क्वेअर, त्यानंतर मायनस पहिल्यातला दुसरा, दुसऱ्यातला दुसऱ्याचा स्क्वेअर मायनस बीजी स्क्वेअर, परत तिसऱ्या पहिल्यातला तिसरा दुसऱ्यातला तिसरा that is minus ch square is equal to 0. त्यानंतर if lines are intersect, the lines to intersect each other if h square minus ab is greater than 0. These two lines are intersect if h square minus ab ची व्हॅल्यू जी आहे ते पॉझिटिव्ह येईल. जर पॉझिटिव्ह आले तर ह्या जे लाईन्स आहे, पेअर ऑफ लाईन्स आहे, त्या दोन लाईन ज्या आहे त्या दोन लाईन एकमेकाला काय करणार, इंटरसेक्ट करणार. जर इंटरसेक्ट करत असतील तर त्यांचा पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन कसा फाइंड करायचा. द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन आर एच एफ एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट एच एफ माइनस बी जी डिवाइड ए बी माइनस एच स्क्वेअर, y coordinate gh minus af divide ab minus h square. हे झाले पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन. हे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन कसे फाइंड करायचे तर या डिटर्मिनंटवरूनच फाइंड करायचे. तिसरा रो सोडून द्यायचा, फक्त पहिला आणि दुसरा रो घ्यायचा. डिवाइड जे आहे तिसरा कॉलम सोडून द्या, राहिलेले एलिमेंट डिटर्मिनंट मध्ये घेतले. ए एच आणि बी एच आणि एच बी त्याचं एक्सपान्शन घेतलं. ए बी मायनस एच स्क्वेअर ते डिवाइड असणार आहे, ते ए बी मायनस एच स्क्वेअर. त्यानंतर एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट वरती घेतला, फर्स्ट कॉलम सोडून द्या. पहिला कॉलम सोडून दिला, राहिलेले एलिमेंट एच जी बी एफ ते डिटर्मिनंट मध्ये घ्या, त्याचं एक्सपान्शन घ्या. एच एफ मायनस बी जी, एच एफ मायनस बी जी. तसंच वाय कोऑर्डिनेट वरती घेताना काय करायचा, मधला जो कॉलम आहे सेकंड कॉलम तो सोडून घ्या आणि राहिलेले एलिमेंट डिटर्मिनंट मध्ये घ्या. डिटर्मिनंटचं एक्सपान्शन घेताना सुरुवातीला नॉन डायगोनल सुरुवातीला घ्यायचं, एच जी मायनस ए एफ, एच जी मायनस ए एफ असे त्याचे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन असणारे कोऑर्डिनेट असणार आहेत. त्यानंतर अँगल बिटवीन देम, त्या दोन लाईन मध्ये जो अँगल आहे सेम फॉर्म्युला आहे, tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू मॉड ऑफ स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ एच स्क्वेअर मायनस ए बी डिवाइड ए प्लस बी. त्यानंतर लाईन्स आर पॅरलल परपेंडिक्युलर, कंडिशन पण सेम आहेत. ए प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू 0 अँड ए मायनस बी पॅरलल ए प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू 0, परपेंडिक्युलरला आहे ए प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू 0 अँड पॅरलल एच स्क्वेअर मायनस ए बी इज इक्वल टू 0 किंवा एच स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू ए बी. ए एफ स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू बी जी स्क्वेअर किंवा ए एच ए डिवाइड एच इज इक्वल टू एच डिवाइड बी इज इक्वल टू जी डिवाइड एफ. हा जो रेशो आहे तो रेशो काय असणार आहे, कॉन्स्टंट असणार आहे. म्हणजे ते डिटर्मिनंटचा जो पहिले दोन रो आहेत त्यांचे जे रेशो आहे तो जर कॉन्स्टंट येत असेल तर दिलेल्या दोन लाईन कशा असणार आहेत, पॅरलल असणार आहेत. दी लाईन्स आर कोइन्सिडंट. कोइन्सिडंट केव्हा असणार आहेत तर कंडिशन आहे जी स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू ए सी किंवा एफ स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू बी सी येत असेल तर गिव्हन लाईन्स आर कोइन्सिडंट. सम शॉर्टकट्स आहेत या टॉपिकवरती. तर पहिली शॉर्टकट आहे द कंबाईन इक्वेशन और जॉइंट इक्वेशन ऑफ पेअर ऑफ लाइन्स पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन and perpendicular to the line represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. तर का परपेंडिक्युलर असेल आणि पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन असेल तर त्याचं कंबाईन इक्वेशन फाइंड करताना काय करायचं, एक्स स्क्वेअर आणि वाय स्क्वेअरचा कोएफिशियंट इंटरचेंज करायचं आणि मिडल टर्म जे आहे त्याचं साइन चेंज करायचं. म्हणजे ते फॉर्म असणारे बी एक्स स्क्वेअर मायनस 2hxy प्लस ए वाय स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 0. सेकंड, पॅरललच्या जे पॉइंटच्या जे ओरिजिनच्या जे पॉइंट दिलेला असेल तर फक्त इथे एक्स रिप्लेस बाय एक्स मायनस x1, वाय रिप्लेस बाय वाय मायनस y1. देअरफॉर दी शॉर्टकट फॉर्म्युला मिळेल बी इंटू ब्रॅकेट एक्स मायनस x1 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर मायनस 2h इंटू एक्स मायनस x1 into second bracket y minus y1 plus a into bracket y minus y1 bracket square is equal to 0. The combined equation or joint equation of pair of lines passing through origin and point alpha beta and parallel to the line represented by the equation. फक्त इथे परपेंडिक्युलरचे आहे जे पॅरलल असेल तर ही जे लाईन आहे पेअर ऑफ लाईन्स इक्वेशन आहे या पेअर ऑफ लाईन्समध्ये एक्स रिप्लेस बाय एक्स मायनस अल्फा ठेवायचं आणि वाय रिप्लेस बाय वाय मायनस बीटा ठेवायचं. मग इक्वेशन काय येईल पहा, a into bracket x minus alpha bracket square plus 2h into x minus alpha into y minus beta plus b into bracket y minus beta bracket square is equal to 0. Fourth, if the slope of the lines given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 are in the ratio असेल m as to n असेल तर शॉर्टकट आहे m plus n bracket square divide m into n is equal to 4h square divide by AB. 5 आहे if the slope of the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is p times the slope of other line असेल then condition आहे replace m by p and n by 1. Then formula get 1 plus p bracket square divide 1 into p is equal to 4h square divide AB. 6. If one of the lines given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is perpendicular to the line lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 then यामधील एक लाईन जी आहे या लाईनला जर परपेंडिक्युलर असेल तर त्या लाईन्स काय कंडिशन आहे तर हे जे लाईनचं इक्वेशन आहे या लाईनच्या इक्वेशन मध्ये x रिप्लेस बाय l कोएफिशियंट आणि y रिप्लेस बाय m कोएफिशियंट. x इज इक्वल टू l अँड y इज इक्वल टू m. देयरफॉर इक्वेशन जे आहे ये l स्क्वेअर प्लस 2HLM प्लस bm स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 0. If the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 are equally inclined with coordinate axes, then a is equal to plus minus b. Next shortcut formula, the equation of the angle bisector of two lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is h into x square minus into bracket a minus b into xy minus h into y square is equal to 0. Here we observe that the sum of x square coefficient and y square coefficient is 0. Therefore these two lines जे आहेत यामध्ये ज्या two lines आहेत त्या पण कशा असणार आहेत परपेंडिक्युलर असणार आहेत. किंवा और x square minus y square divide a minus b is equal to xy divide h. Next shortcut formula, if the slope of the line ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 differ by p then shortcut formula है 4 times h square minus 4 times into bracket h square minus ab is equal to p square into b square. जर डिफर p टाइम्स असेल, स्लोप जर डिफर होत असेल, दोन्ही मध्ये फरक दिलेला असेल. 10 नंबर, the lines are ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 and lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 form an isosceles triangle. then इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल जर तयार करत असेल तर काय कंडिशन आहे तर l स्क्वेअर मायनस m स्क्वेअर डिवाइड l इंटू m इज इक्वल टू a मायनस b डिवाइड h. त्यानंतर 11, the combined equation of pair of lines passing through origin and forming an equilateral triangle with the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. तर त्या कंबाईन इक्वेशन जे आहे पेअर ऑफ लाईनचं तर ते असणार आहे ax plus by ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर मायनस 3 टाइम्स ay minus bx bracket square is equal to 0 and area of a equilateral triangle is equal to c square divide root 3 into bracket a square minus b, a square plus b square. Next 12 number, the area of a triangle formed by the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 and the line lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Its area is equal to n square into square root of h square minus ab divided by am square minus 2hml plus bl square. हे जे इक्वेशन आहे या इक्वेशन मध्ये एक्स रिप्लेस बाय वाय चा कोएफिशियंट आणि वाय रिप्लेस बाय यल चा कोएफिशियंट एक्स चा कोएफिशियंट आणि मिडल टर्म जे आहे त्याचं फक्त साइन चेंज करायचं डिनॉमिनेटर. तो असेल शॉर्टकट फॉर्म्युला. 13 नंबर, एफ ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c is equal to 0 represent pair of parallel lines, then the distance between them is given by. दोन पॅरलल लाईन मध्ये डिस्टन्स फाइंड करायचं आहे. तर डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला आहे 2 इंटू रूट ऑफ जी स्क्वेअर मायनस ए सी डिवाइड ए इंटू ब्रॅकेट ए प्लस बी, किंवा दुसरा फॉर्म्युला आहे 2 इंटू स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ स्क्वेअर प्लस 2hxy प्लस by स्क्वेअर प्लस ट्वाइस gx प्लस ट्वाइस fy प्लस c is equal to 0. The length of x intercept is 2 into root of g square minus ac divided by mod a, and length of y intercept 2 into root of f square minus bc divided by mod b, and the product of length of perpendicular from the point alpha beta to the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is mod मध्ये a alpha square plus 2h alpha into beta plus b beta square divided by square root of a minus b bracket square plus 4h square. This is shortcut. The area of a parallelogram formed by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 and ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c is equal to 0 is area is equal to mod of c divided by 2 into root of h square minus ab square unit. Then next shortcut, 17 number, orthocenter of the triangle. Orthocenter means the point of intersection of three altitudes of a triangle is called orthocenter. The coordinate of xy of the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the line x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 and the line lx plus my is equal to 1 is given by, then x coordinate L into bracket a plus b divide am square minus 2hml plus bl square, and y coordinate m into bracket a plus b divide 2m square minus 2hml plus bl square. That is point of coordinate of orthocenter. And centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle means the point of intersection of three medians of the triangle are called centroid. Then the coordinate of the centroid of the triangle formed by the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 and the line lx plus my plus 1 is equal to 0 is x divided by bl minus hm is equal to y divided by am minus hl is equal to 2 divide 3 into bracket am square minus 2hml plus bl square, that is coordinate of centroid. This is some shortcuts. MCQ. The pair of lines x square plus 4xy plus 4y square is equal to 0 represent, four options are there: first parallel, second perpendicular, third imaginary, and fourth real and distinct. If x square कोएफिशियंट आणि y स्क्वेअर कोएफिशियंट यांची जर आपण ऍडिशन घेतली इक्वल टू 0 येत असेल तर परपेंडिक्युलर म्हणता येईल. हिअर comparing the equation a is equal to 1 2h is equal to 4, which implies h is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1, 4. B is equal to 4. Now h square minus ab is equal to h is equal to 2, 2 square 4 minus 4 into 1 into 4, that is 4, is equal to 0. H square minus ab is equal to 0. Therefore, given pair of lines are parallel. That is, answer 1 is correct. Second, the pair of lines x square plus 2 hxy plus x square plus 2 xy plus y square is equal to 0 represent coincident, perpendicular, imaginary, real and distinct. Here, comparing the equation in general form, a is equal to 1, 2h is equal to 2, which implies h is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. Therefore, h square minus ab is equal to 4 2 square 4, 1 square 1 minus 1 into 1 1, that is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. H square minus ab is equal to 0. Therefore, given lines are coincident. The equation of pair of lines passing through origin and are perpendicular. Perpendicular means coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square, add them. Perpendicular means a plus b is equal to 0. Here 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, not equal to 0. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, these lines are perpendicular and passing through origin. Therefore, B, C option is correct. Fourth, the combined equation of the lines with slope 1 and minus 1 is x square minus y square is equal to 0, x square minus 2xy plus y square is equal to 0, x square plus y square is equal to 0, x square plus y square is equal to 1. C option and D option. Here h is absent. Therefore, this does not represent pair of lines. Here h square, h is equal to minus 1. Therefore, h square 1 square minus 1 into 1, 1, that is 1, that is 1 minus 1, 0. These lines represent parallel lines. Therefore, x square minus y square is equal to 0. That is a combined equation. Then find its separate equation. First, find separate equation. x square minus y square is equal to 0. That is x minus y, and second x plus y is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 0. Its slope m is equal to minus a upon b. Therefore, slope is plus 1. And x plus y is equal to 0. Its slope m1 is equal to minus a upon b. Therefore, its slope is minus 1. Therefore, slope 1 and minus 1. Therefore, A option is correct. Next MCQ. If the lines represented by kx square minus 3xy plus 6y square equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other, then value of k is. Here we observe that these lines represent perpendicular lines. We know that these lines are perpendicular, then coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0, which implies k is equal to minus 6. Therefore, B option is correct. Next, 6 number. If the equation 4x square plus kxy plus y square is equal to 0 represents two coincident lines represent आहे. Therefore, h square minus ab is equal to 0, which implies h is equal to 2h is equal to k. Therefore, h is equal to k upon 2. its square k square divide 4 minus ab a into b 4 is equal to ab 4 into 1 that is 4 therefore which implies k square is equal to 16 which implies k is equal to plus minus 4 therefore first option is correct plus minus 4. Next one, the auxiliary equation of the lines 2x square plus 3xy minus 9y square is equal to 0 is ऑक्झिलरी इक्वेशन विचारले आपल्याला. अशा वेळेस काय करायचं, ईच टर्म दिलेलं जे इक्वेशन आहे त्या ईच टर्मला एक्स स्क्वेअरने काय करायचं, डिवाइड करायचं. therefore 2 plus 3y upon x minus 9y upon x bracket square is equal to 0. प्रत्येक टर्मला मी काय केलं, एक्स स्क्वेअरने डिवाइड केलं. Then put y upon x is equal to m. Therefore 2 plus 3m minus 9m square is equal to 0. याच इक्वेशनला असं लिहिता येईल 9m square minus 3m minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 9m square minus 3m minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore C option is correct answer. Is auxiliary equation. 8. If the slope of the lines kx square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0 differ by 2, then k is equal to differ by 2. p is equal to दिलेला आहे, डिफरन्स दिलेला आहे 2 and a is equal to k, 2h is equal to minus 4. Therefore h is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 5. Therefore formula 4h square minus ab is equal to p square into b square. Therefore 4 into bracket h square 4 minus a into b, a is equal to k, b equal to 5, that is 5k is equal to p is equal to 2, 4 into b is equal to 5, that is 25. Both side 4 get cancel. Therefore 4 minus 5k is equal to minus 25. Therefore 5k is equal to 4 minus 21. Therefore k is equal to 25. 4 minus 25, that is minus 21. Therefore k equal to minus 21 divided by 5. Therefore k is equal to minus 21 divided by 5 is answer minus 21 divided by 5. That is C option is correct. The next 9 number. If the slope of one of the lines 5x square minus 3xy plus ky square equal to 0 is 5 times the slope of the other, then k is equal to. One slope is 5 times the other. Therefore m is equal to 5, n is equal to 1 and a is equal to 5, 2h is equal to minus 3, which implies h is equal to 3 upon 2 and b is equal to k. Then shortcut formula m plus n bracket square divide m into n is equal to 4h square divided by a into b. 4h square. M is equal to 1, n equal to 1. Therefore 6 square 36 divided by m equal to 5, n equal to 1. That is 5 is equal to 4 into h square, that is 9 upon 4 divided by a into b. A equal to 5, b equal to k. Therefore 5k. Both side divide term 5 cancel. Numerator 4 divide 4 cancel will. That is 36 is equal to 9 upon k. Therefore k is equal to 9 divide 36. Therefore, k is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore, 1 upon 4 is correct answer. Next number, the joint equation of the lines passing through origin and perpendicular to the lines represented by the equation 3x square plus 4xy minus 5y square is equal to 0 is 4 options are there. If line passing through origin and perpendicular to the lines, this combined equation is interchange coefficient of x square and y square with sign, that is minus 5x square, and middle term change the sign minus 4xy plus 3y square is equal to 0, that is 5x square plus 4xy minus 3y square is equal to 0, that is combined equation of pair of lines passing through origin and perpendicular to the pair of lines, that is 5x square plus 4xy minus 3y square, that is B option is correct. Next, if the slope of line represented by 6x square minus lambda xy plus y square is equal to 0 are in the ratio, then 2:3, then lambda is equal to first option plus minus 6, second, third. If ratio given 2, m is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, and a is equal to 6, 2h is equal to minus lambda, therefore h is equal to minus lambda upon 2, and b is equal to 1. Put this value in this shortcut formula, therefore m plus n, 5 square 25, 5 square 25 divide 25 divide 5 2 into 3 6 is equal to 4 into h square lambda square divided by 4 divided by a into b. A is equal to 6, b is equal to 6. Both divide term get cancelled. 4 get cancelled, multiply divide. Therefore lambda square is equal to 25. Therefore lambda is equal to plus minus 5. Therefore B option is correct. B option is correct. Next MCQ. The joint equation of the angle bisector of the line, angle bisector of the angle between the lines 4x square minus 16y xy plus 7y square is equal to 0 is 4 options are there. Shortcut formula है h into x square minus into bracket a minus b minus h square is equal to 0. Comparing this equation in general form, a is equal to 4, twice h is equal to 16 minus 16, therefore h is equal to minus 8, and b is equal to 7. B is equal to 7. Therefore minus x square minus 8x square minus a minus b, 7 minus 4 minus 7 minus 3 into xy minus h minus minus plus 8y square is equal to 0. Therefore 8x square minus minus plus minus minus sign कॉमन घेतलं पहा 3xy minus 8y square is equal to 0. 8x square minus 3xy minus 8y square is equal to 0. Therefore D option is correct. D option is correct. Next MCQ. If the line 2x square plus 2kxy minus 3y square is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 form an isosceles triangle, then value of k is, therefore options are given. Comparing this equation in general form, therefore a is equal to 2, 2h is equal to 2k, k is equal h is equal to k, and L is equal to 3, M is equal to 2. Then shortcut formula जो आहे L square minus M square divide L into M is equal to A minus B divide H. फॉर्म्युला मध्येच ठेवा 3 square 9, 9 minus 4 divide by 3 into 2 6 is equal to A minus B. A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 3 divided by H is equal to K. Solving this, 9 minus 4, 5, 5 divide 6 is equal to 5 plus 5 divide K. Both side 5 get cancelled. Therefore, K is equal to 6. K is equal to 6. C option is correct. Next, the area of a triangle formed by the lines x square plus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0 and the line x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Its 4 options are given. These lines are comparing. Therefore, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1 and C is equal to minus 4. Then area is equal to formula C square divided by root 3 into bracket A square plus B square is equal to C square, that is 16 divide root 3 into A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. Their square addition get 2. 16 divided 2, that is 8. Therefore, 8 upon root 3 is area of the triangle. 8 upon 3 area of a triangle is correct answer. Next MCQ. The measure of the equiangle between the lines 2x square minus 7xy plus 3y square is equal to 0 is first option 30, B option 45, third option 60 and D option 90. Comparing this equation in general form, A equal to 2, 2h is equal to minus 7, h is equal to minus 7 upon 2 and B is equal to 3. Therefore, angle फाइंड करायचा जो फॉर्म्युला आहे tan theta is equal to mod of 2 into root of h square minus ab, h square that is 49 upon 4 minus ab 2 into 3 that is 6 divided by a plus b. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, that is 5. A is equal to 2 into mod square root of cross multiply 49 minus 24, that is 25. 25 divide 4 and divide by 5 is equal to mod 2 into root जे आहे ते 5 upon 2 divide by 5. Multiply to divide to 5 cancel will, multiply 5 divide 5 cancel will, is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1. Therefore, theta is equal to 45. Therefore, second option is correct. Next, 16. The joint equation of the pair of lines passing through origin and forming an equilateral triangle with the line 3x plus 4y is equal to 5 is find the joint equation of a line passing through origin and forming equilateral triangle. शॉर्टकट जो आहे तो शॉर्टकट फॉर्म्युला आहे ax plus by bracket square minus 3 into ay minus bx bracket square is equal to 0. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 4. Therefore 3x plus 4y bracket square minus 3 into 3y minus 4x bracket square is equal to 0. Expand this bracket, that is 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square minus 3 times 9y square minus 24xy plus 16y square is equal to 0. Therefore 9